yeah. I'd say the whole top. Just so we know. Yeah, here. And then let's see what we got down here in the bottom. Just trying to find out where some of these leaks come from. I think they're totally from the propeller blades. So that's all greasy right there. This is just salt. It's really good. And we're on the right engine. This one's not so dirty, but we'll give it a good clean anyway. We're just cleaning up the motors, looking for oil leaks, and then the guys here are setting the fuel pressure, right?
Yeah.
Just fuel pressures in the idles?
Yep.
So Jake, what have you done? You've done the ride engine already?
Yeah, my dad did that side, and then pull this intake rail off the side.
Because you think you might have maybe a leak somewhere in here?
Oh yeah, they're all bubbling.
Oh, they are?
Under pressure, yeah.
Where do I get new gaskets? Aircraft spruce?
Yes, if we don't already have them.
And I'm glad that we have a spruce here in Phoenix.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
There's only like a few. The next closest one's California. Sure.
Just this one, some possible
That's my
vacuum
dad.
leaks here.
Yeah, induction.
But the ride engine, everything's set fine, the fuel.
I think.
I'm getting you on video. You're on record. It's what?
I think that'd be a question for my dad. I don't know for sure about that right now.
Okay.